When it comes to magical recipes, this is my absolute favorite cookbook. What? It's those ninjas. I just know it. They're super sneaky. Watch very carefully and listen. They could be anywhere.
What do we do? They're looking and listening really, really hard.
Then we gotta be really, really quiet and not let them see us. You know what that means.
Yeah, we're gonna do a double kata. Let's call on Stealth of the Panther
And Color of the Chameleon.
Now let's see if there's a recipe for magic tuna salad. Ah, there it is. Magic tuna salad.
It's only us, Pretzel.
And we've got a tuna to deliver. Let's go.
All right!
Georgie, look! That's the artist studio. We're almost there.
Oh no! Those pesky fish robbers are back! And they've got a net!
That net is way too small to catch a train.
Nice little net! No way you're gonna stop us with that!
Good point. Alakazoom, zoom, zoomy! How's that?
Maybe next time I'll keep my mouth shut.
There's a switch up ahead. Pretzel, can you get off this track? Nice job, Pretzel.
Ha! No way they'll catch us now!
But Georgie, look! This track goes right off a cliff!
What are we gonna do?
I think we should stop the train.
But we're going too fast! This is a dragon train! Remember? You said it could do anything a dragon could do!
So if dragons can fly, so can dragon trains. But how? There must be a switch or a lever or something.
Huh? I hope that thing works. We're out of track!